Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing a clean image. You want PNG transparency or a high-contrast JPG so the cutter can read edges. Once loaded, make sure canvas size matches your sticker paper, for example 3x3. Confirm 300 dpi export in settings. You should also select bleed or margin if you plan to cut to the edge, because that prevents white borders. Finally, position the image centrally and lock layers you don't want moved, so your first cut lines up precisely. You now refine the cut path. Use trace or auto path and adjust smoothing plus corner radius to avoid tiny spikes. Once done, set the cutter parameters. Choose a medium force and slower speed for small stickers to prevent tearing. Make sure you enable registration marks and preview print and cut alignment. This is the step that keeps print and die cut lined up. If your machine offers an optical sensor, enable it. Otherwise, increase margin to give the cutter room to correct. You print a test on plain paper to verify color and registration marks before wasting sticker stock. Once satisfied, load your sticker paper, align the origin point with the cutter's guide, and run a short test cut in the corner to validate settings. After the full cut, weed excess paper and apply transfer tape if needed. If things go wrong, misalignment, tearing, or skipped cuts, recalibrate the optical sensor, lower speed, or slightly increase cut force to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.